gonna show you how to make fluffy slime too. So, let's go over the ingredients. We're gonna need glue.
And shaving cream. Glitter, just if optional. Contact solution.
Lotion. And food coloring is optional.
Only if you want.
So first we're going to take our bowl, plain old bowl, and we're going to take some glue and pour it in. Not so much because the shaving cream is going to boost it up a lot. This is going to be a really fluffy slime. So once you have this in, you could add your food coloring if you want to. So this is electric purple. It's really strong purple color. So after you mix the glue with the coloring that you like it, you can add the shaving cream. You don't want to add so much shaving cream that your mix is very
Just like
fluffy.
this.
Like just a little more than than the glue you added. Yeah. So if you want a dark color with your food coloring, make it darker than what you want it because the shaving cream
Makes it more light. So then add
I need a little. Okay. So now I want to add lotion. Not a lot of.
Just like 2 or 3.
2 pumps of lotion. But it's not going to be activated yet. It's going to be this weird, fluffy.
Why does it look like blue frosting?
Blue. Oh, frosting, yes. And then once you like the way your slime is, you can add some contact lens solution. Don't do a lot at a time. Do not a lot, but not a little at a
I'm
time.
getting glitter.
And then you should start to see your slime pull away from the bowl. And it should start stretching in like a clump.
Just like this.
Mine's still like frosting-ish. This is like what shaving cream is. Probably gonna empty out that bottle. Oh well, why not get my hands dirty?
But we want to tell you the secret, how to make it like so good, right?
Sure. I mean, it's a secret, but
Well, the shaving cream makes it really good.
someone bleep it out. Wait, can I have some eye contact solution? I don't know why, but Ellie likes making slime, but she doesn't like touching it. Like when it's sticky. I don't know what it's about.
And I don't like getting my hands dirty.
Well, then
dog licking me. That's really, yeah, but it's clear. I don't like.
It's
I don't
so
like how.
dirty.
Remember last time?
What's last time?
Like when a friend came over.
No. Oh yeah. When Deli's friend came over, we were making fluffy slime.
And like a double plating. Aber's friend and my friend came over. Remember that? Or that time? And we were making fluffy slime. And then I just had a fiasco or something like that because I was like, mine was like so sticky.
This is. Oh well, I gotta wash my hair tonight. Wait, it's just still good. If you add shaving cream once your slime is mixed in,
Oh, no.
then it will turn stringy, and I don't really like that. But once you mix it in, it will become very fluffy, and very fluffy, I'm not gonna lie. This one's, I'm still mixing in. This one's not bad, it's just, yeah. Slime's all
So much glitter.
Oh my god, show the camera. That is crazy. I'm not adding any glitter to mine, because if you add glitter, then it kind of ruins the texture.
Yeah.
Kind of makes it weird.
I need an activator.
You finally are going to activate it.
No, you already did that.
So this is how you make fluffy slime. And if you don't like how your slime feels, you could also add some more lotion.
Yeah, but probably melt. One time I had so much lotion in my slime.
It turned to water.
Yeah, it's
So-
so gooey.
Ellie, hurry up and finish your slime because, you know, we gotta finish things up.
This is my just get all the activator on the table. Sorry about the tissue, guys. And dump your slime it. Once it feels okay, but not. Ah! Oh my god.
Once you get your slime to the consistency you like, you can put it in like a container and put it away in like drawers or something, and then you can take it out for next time. But don't let it sit there because then it will dry out.
And you cannot play with this slime.
That's a mommy.
That's a mommy.
Gotta hurry up.
Stole some of mine.
Pour me some activator. Oh god. Can you pour me some activator? Dang it. Oh well. Ah!
Can you also pour me some activator?
Ah!
Oh.
Ah!
Well, not all. I'm barely done.
Slime on my hand.
I need shaving cream.
Hurry up. So
I need. Can you please give me?
I want to take a nap.
On here, a lot, until I say stop. Yes, that's how much I need. I'm like a Smurf now. Are we gonna do our next batch?
No, that
It's for
I
another
think-
video.
yes. So we taught you how to make slime.
I am not
This is
done.
fluffy slime.
Can I more
and,
activator?
she'll finish it.
Can I more activator?
She'll finish that off camera. And I think that's all for today. I want to sleep, so bye-bye.